Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule is a benzene ring, so the parent name is benzene. Moving on to the next step. There is one methyl group, CH3, and 3 nitro groups, NO2, attached to the ring. Moving on to the next step. Locate positions of substituents on the ring. The methyl group is at 1 carbon. The 2 nitro groups flanking the methyl are at the adjacent carbons, ortho positions, and the third nitro group is at the carbon directly opposite, para to the methyl. This gives a 1, 3, 5 arrangement for the 3 nitro groups and position 2 between 2 nitro groups for the methyl, or equivalently, methyl at C1, position 1, nitro groups at C2, ortho, C6, ortho, and C4, para, relative to methyl, which is the same as nitro at 1, 3, 5 and methyl at 2 when numbered to give lowest locants. And for the final step, assign C1 to the methyl-bearing carbon. The nitro groups are then at C to C4 and C6. But to minimize locant set, we renumber so the 3 nitro groups are at 1, 3, 5 and the methyl is at 2. Locant set 1, 2, 3, 5 versus 1, 2, 4, 6. The set 1, 2, 3, 5 is lower. So, nitro at C1 methyl at C2 nitro at C3 nitro at C5 name is 2 methyl 1, 3, 5 trinitrobenzene. Principal substituents listed alphabetically methyl and nitro. With nitro groups at 1, 3, 5 and methyl at 2, 2 methyl 1, 3, 5 trinitrobenzene. This compound is commonly known as TNT, 2, 4, 6 trinitrotoluene, but the systematic IUPAC name with benzene as parent is 2 methyl 1, 3, 5 trinitrobenzene. Therefore, the correct answer is 2 methyl 1, 3, 5 trinitrobenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.